This video explains how to change fuses on a flex-based system in which you may have multiple stacked SPI boards. And in this case, you can see that we have multiple stacked boards. There's one down here and there's one up here. All right, so in this particular case, we have 40 millimeter at the bottom and 30 millimeter at the top, so we need to remove the CPU to access that. So what we're going to do is simply just remove our jacks. Now, if you have an AlphaPix Evolution, you can also simply do the same process. Now, I am powering the unit off to start with, so I removed the Cat5 jacks. Now on the Evolution, they're on the front. I'm just going to move those out of the way. And there are 4 screws. This is a, I believe, 7/16 inch nut. So you can use just a standard removal tool. Or socket, I should say. And we're just going to remove these 4 screws. Okay, so we've removed these. Now I'm just going to use a magnet to get them all. All right, so now we can lift our CPU out of the way and we can access this row of fuses. So that only takes a few seconds, and now you can pull these fuses out. Now, if you have one board down, you may need to go ahead and pull this next board off. So if you have one on the very bottom board. Now I should caution that normally fuses should not break or blow in any case. So now I'm just going to loosen this. You can't use this as a nut. I'm just using some dikes here to loosen these up. And I'm simply going to take these risers off here. And there are 2 more down here. These are nuts. These are the same nuts that are on the CPU. And just reach down there with my magnet. Now, if you have cables that are attached down here, just go ahead and disconnect these. In this particular case, we're using an external power supply for this second bank. And so what we'll do is we'll just pull this off, and we can now reach into the bottom. Here. There we go. And you can reach into the bottom now, and you can see just by pulling this up, we can access those fuses. Now you may wish to use a pair of needle nose pliers. Now you can also reach down in there and grab those, but you can also use a set of needle nose pliers. And of course the process of reverse putting this in, just put it all back in the exact same direction, just backwards. And that's the process for replacing the fuses.